Hey you guys, I'm on a project frenzy and so this is the thing, right? So we have leftover stuff from the other projects and I was kind of looking around of what else I can do with the leftover stuff because we don't want to waste anything. So I have an idea. I'm going to build a little garden over here, or just kind of landscape it a bit, just make it more aesthetically pleasing. Okay, so this is what we're working with here. As soon as you enter into the backyard, we have the area where our water hose is, and then you have all this. A mountain of dirt, a bunch of grass and weeds. And then we have those two little garden, landscaping, accessory decor kind of there. Looks crazy. I'm challenging myself to use only what we have left from the projects we've already done. Edging for landscaping, like 1/3 of a bag of gravel rocks, weeding fabric, these are my tools, a shovel and a hole, and 2 bags of mulch. I think I can do it. The space is not that big. So let's see what we can get done. just to show, I ran to the store and grabbed this. I thought it was so adorable. I named her Leah. Leah the frog. But very quick, very simple. Grab some additional mulch. I just needed 2 additional bags, but they were having a sale, so the mulch was $2 a bag, so score. And it was the exact same mulch as the last one, so that was good stuff. But ignore the wall and dirt back there. I feel like, I don't know why I don't do these things beforehand. Like, just get the little stuff, the eyesore stuff, but it's fine. But this is from leftover stuff that I had, minus the 2 things of mulch. But I found this little thing here, this little paver over there. It was right under there. Lift that up, washed it off, reused it. Now when we go to get the water hose, we can step on this, keep our feet a little clean. But I like it. It's clean, it's together. It was just crazy at first, but this looks so much better and put together. So, and this is when people first come in. I'm thinking about putting probably a little water feature over there as well. I'm not a plant person. We'll see how this goes, but as of right now, we're going to keep it simple. The main thing I was going for was a nice clean little take, but a nice quick project using leftover material. I love it. Stay tuned for more.